Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and what we saw yesterday was we saw them walk it up, knock it back. You're getting a little bit more of a walk up in the pre-market. So I'm starting to wonder whether it wants to reach here. Let's get off the daily. Whether it wants to reach back up. Still needs to test that weekly pivot early in the week and establish whether it wants to be support or resistance. So far, it's resistance. We've been living below it the entire week. But you can see them just kind of trying to climb up here. I would not be at all surprised if we at least tested yesterday's highs up at 78, maybe reached a little farther, and then we have to see if today is going to play out like last Friday, like the 7th, and have them come in and knock it down again. It sets up for that fairly well. You got to wonder when you get up into this 2690 area how much fuel the bulls are going to have left to push even farther. Look, if they can convert, then it really opens up, the upside. You've got the daily mid-band sitting, that's sitting in around 2693. So really, weekly pivot, daily mid-band are hanging out in this 2690, 2693 area. The bulls are really going to need a push. They're going to need fuel in order to convert that area to support once they get there, if they get there. What we have seen overnight is we've seen some higher lows. You've seen daily pivot support. And the mornings have been dramatically easier to trade than the afternoons. Now, setting aside the first hour of yesterday, which really was as whippy as it gets. That was a real battleground from 9:30 to, say, 10:45. Then it decided it wanted to go down. It offered some really nice opportunities. It was about 44 handles in the room yesterday. So, we're in very, very good shape for the week. We're in incredible shape for the month. What we're trying to do as we get into the afternoons is really just protect what we have. We've been in week, protecting the week mode since Monday morning at about 11:30. So, what I want to see is I want to see how it opens up. I want to see if we continue this pattern of walking it up in the futures and then knocking it down. You can see it here. See the 10 o'clock hour here? Walk it up, knock it down. See the 10 o'clock hour here? Walk it up, knock it down. So here's your 10 o'clock hour. We're going to walk it up and knock it down. If that continues to happen, then there'll be an opportunity on the short side. Remember what I tell you everybody about bear market rallies. You can be long. You can stand aside. You don't want to be early short. So I'm flat right now. Look, I've missed most of the bear market rallies, and we're outperforming by a ton. You don't have to be in every inch of the market. If you try to be in every inch of this market, you're going to get burned from time to time because of the volatility. So since I wasn't awake at 4 in the morning to buy daily pivot down at 45, 46, I'm waiting for 9:30, and I'm happy to do it. So be patient, look for opportunities. Like I said yesterday, the key is when you get into stuff that's working to really let that run and work, because that's where the bulk of the handles are. So the shorts yesterday, tons of handles. More handles than you need to hit whatever your goal is. Our goal remains 4 a day. Okay? So patience, and then be opportunistic when the time comes. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. We'll be out with a bunch of stuff on social. Check that out. The IGTV video didn't upload yesterday for some reason, so I apologize for that, but we were out on YouTube and everywhere else. So we'll get all that fixed today. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.